You wear what?
I wear my long sleeve shirts under my short sleeve shirts over my long sleeve shirts under my short sleeve shirt. I don't get that at all. You because I'm too cool.
No, you're not.
Hey, it's Diana, guess what?
What?
That's what.
What? Hey Megan, guess what?
Chicken good.
Yeah. You know it.
I gotcha.
I got shit bang.
Gotcha.
Gotcha. No, it's I don't want chicken.
Nigger.
Shut up!
I didn't mean to.
Jesus, Megan.
Jesus, Megan.
Diana.
No life. Wait, I really?
I need to. You're retarded. Your face is freaking retarded. When I look at it, I feel stupid. That's how retarded
you are
it is.
stupid.
You're
look at
stupid. Gin. Bye, Gin. See you tomorrow, Gin. Gin.
Go away.
Gin. Gin.
She's stalking me.
Gin.
She's
Gin.
Shut up.
Gin. Please. Please. No. Please. Please, Sam. Random person. Hi.
She's retarded.
You're retarded.
You're retarded.
Your mom's retarded in bed.
She is.
How would you know? You fucked your mom.
How dare you say that about my mom? Only I could say stuff about my mom.
You call my mom stupid. You're stupid.
It's stupido. Hey, doesn't it sound like moaning and mexcian? Miso eso cita. Ay, coffee. Doesn't that sound like it?
Something, yes. God, you're so racist.
Miso eso cita.
What? Miso what?
Miso eso cita, which I don't know what it means.
It's not even a word,
I know,
Megan.
I just kind of said it.
There was a dog here. Megan, were you here?
Yes.
You dog. Bye, Gin.
Bye. Go away.
You go away.